Welcome to the Gemstone simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate characteristics of some common gemstones. Begin by selecting either the practice or test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers no feedback. This simulation has two levels. Level 1 does not use all the laboratory devices that are used in Level 2. To investigate a gemstone, select any of the available devices in the virtual lab. Observe and note any relevant data regarding that gemstone. Make sure you use all available devices in the laboratory to fully test the stone. When you complete all available tests, select the ID Sample button on the bottom of the screen. If you're in the practice mode, select the Select Gem drop-down menu below the gemstone on the shelf and identify the stone. Choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your answer. When correct, select the New Sample button to test a different gemstone. If you're in the test mode, a gem ID code will appear below the gemstone on the shelf. Make sure to record this code along with your data and gemstone identification on your laboratory sheet.